5 lesser known facts about Prophet Muhammad. 1. Different names in previous scriptures. Prophet Muhammad is mentioned in earlier holy books with different names. In the Quran, he is called Ahmad. In Christian scriptures, he is referred to as the Paraclete. Many people don't know Ahmad was also one of his real names. 2. The seal of prophethood. Between his shoulders, the prophet had a unique mark called the seal of prophethood. It was a small, raised piece of flesh, shaped like a lump. Companions recognized it as a sign of his prophethood. 3. Freed animals with his own hands. Once, the prophet personally freed a camel that was being overworked. He said, "Leave it for the sake of Allah. It belongs to Allah's creation." 4. Lost a tooth in battle. In the Battle of Uhud, the prophet lost one of his teeth. His face was bleeding, but he never cursed his enemies. Instead, he prayed for their guidance. 5. Wore a green turban. Many think the prophet always wore plain turbans. But in one narration, he wore a green turban. This is one reason green became a color associated with Islam. Bonus unique fact. Loved oil and perfume. Prophet Muhammad loved using oil on his hair and perfume. His fragrance would stay for hours. People used to say, "The prophet passed by here." Even after shaking his hand, the sweet scent would remain. May Allah keep you all under His protection. Like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories from the lives of our beloved prophets. Peace be upon them. Thanks.